Welcome to Class 8 Geography. In today's video, we will explore one of the most important environmental chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife resource. Let's begin. Here, what we will cover in this chapter, you can see what is a natural vegetation, wildlife importance, factors, types, and natural vegetation. Natural vegetation of India, conservation, wildlife distribution in the world, conservation of wildlife. Now we can see the proper recap summary.
What is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation refers to the plant and trees that grow on their own without any help of humans. They are not plant are managed by people. Their growth mainly depend on their climate and the place of the amount of the rainfall it receives, the type of soil and the shape of the land. So now we see the what is the wildlife. The wildlife include all naturally living animal, bird, insect and aquatic creature like fishes. There are not domesticated any life freely in jungles, mountain, grassland, desert, ocean and rivers. Each type of region support different type of wildlife. So we see important of vegetation of wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife are both important for our planet. Plants give us oxygen, food, wood, and medical herbs. Animals provide milk, meat, wool, and leather and help to the farming. Together, they help maintain the ecological balance and also support many tribal forest communities. So we see the next topic are the factor affection of vegetation. The main factor that affect natural vegetation include relief. The highest and slope of the land temperature, according to temperature, the warmer and the colder region that had different vegetation. Rainfall, more rain means more less vegetation. Human interface, cutting forest, urbanization, and population also affect plant life. So now we see the type of forest. There are many type of forest found across the world. The first is tropical evergreen forest, found in Amazon and Northeast India. These include mahogany and rosewood. Second is tropical deciduous forest, found in Indian monsoon region. Trees are thick and tall. Temperate evergreen, found in China and USA, include oak and eucalyptus. Next is coniferous forest, found in Russia and Canada, like a pine, fir, spruce, and trees. So we have the next topic of the grassland, steppe and desert vegetation. So grassland are the area covered with grass. Tropical grasslands like a savanna in Africa at home of the giraffe and the zebras. So temperate grassland like a prairies in the USA has animals like a bison, shrubs and the thorny plants found in deserts. Hot deserts had the cactus and the bubbles. Cold desert like a gobi and heavy little vegetation. Tundra vegetation include mosses and leeches. So now we can see natural vegetation in India. India has rich diversity in vegetation. Evergreen forest in western Ghat and northern, deciduous forest in central India, thorn forest in Rajasthan and Gujarat, mountain forest in the Himalayas, and mangrove forest in the Sundarban deltas. So each type of the suits the rainfall and the climate of the region. That are the all forests are the natural vegetation in India. So we see next topic the conservation of vegetation. The forests are being cut for the former house and industries. This lead to soil erosion, climate change and the loss of the biodiversity. Conservation method include. So we have the main points. The first is planting more trees, it like afforestation. Next is avoiding forest fires. Next is banning illegal cutting. Next, promoting communities or social forest. So celebrate event like one Mahotsav.
Wildlife in Africa and North America. The Africa has the most diverse wildlife like elephant, lion, giraffe, zebra, rhinos. In North America, warm regions have bisons, mooses, and beavers. Cold areas are home to polar bear, wolf, and Arctic fox. Wildlife in South America and Europe. South America rainforests have jaguar, pumas, monkey, and anacondas. Birds like condor and also found in Europe due to the less forest animals like wolf and wild boar and the favor like that. The about common birds include cuckoos and nightingales. Wildlife in Asia and Australia. Asia is home to tiger, elephant, leopard, foxes, and cranes. Australia is known of the marsupials like kangaroo and koalas. Birds like emu and the duck bird, build on the plateaus, are unique to Australia. So, wildlife in Antarctica. The wildlife in Antarctica, like a penguin, seals, albatross, whales, and the creels, visit during the summer seasons. Despite the harsh condition, it supports an important marine ecosystem. So now see the conservation of wildlife. The wildlife face danger due to the hunting, poaching, pollution, and climate disasters. The protect to them, the ban hunting and illegal trade, set up the protected areas like sanctuaries and national park, enforce wildlife protection law, spread awareness in schools, support organizations like WWF. So this is the chapter of our natural vegetation in India. Now we see the first recap summary. Today we learn about the natural vegetation and wildlife, their type, importance, conservation. Every region had it include biodiversity. It is our duty to protect nature and wildlife for nature and futures. So thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for the more educational videos. Keep learning and keep growing. If you want to this chapter in Hindi, so comment on the section comment so we can make a video in Hindi language. So thank you for all once again.